So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply for a bank loan on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, you can either go to the accounts overview page and press on open an account, or go to the bottom right, press on more, then scroll down to where it says products and press on open an account. Second from the bottom here, it says loans and lines of credit, borrow money and manage cash flow. Press on that. Once you're on here, this will actually guide you to an area where you can then apply for a bank loan. So loans and lines of credit, apply for a loan and line of credit, speak with a credit specialist today to find out more, and start your application. So if you wanted a bank loan, you have to press on book an appointment right here. Once you're here, you can either schedule a call with a specialized advisor, schedule a call, or book an appointment. So it's pretty straightforward, but if you go ahead with one of these options, you can then proceed with trying to apply and obtain a bank loan and go through it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to apply for a bank loan on the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.